Since I've been using the Elixir for the last 2 years, I've noticed that my skin's losing that dryness, and my makeup's not as cakey when I'm using it. So I use it at night time just on its own, and my skin, the wrinkles are dissipating. Like, they're definitely much better than they were. Before the Elixir, I was using other oils, but they seemed to sit on the top of my skin and it seemed just very oily. But since I've been using the Elixir, it really soaks into my skin, and then it just feels like my skin feels very natural, not oily. So I'm really noticing a difference in the hydration levels of my skin. That's the main thing that I've noticed. So all that dryness is just gone. What I like about the Elixir oil is I only have to use one product at night, which is great for me as a busy parent. I'm not very good at with the whole makeup regime. So I've just been using it at night, and I wake up in the morning and my skin's just ready to go, just after one application at night. If you're looking for a product with real results, the Elixir's worked wonders for me.